Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Tommy and thanks for clicking. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to become part of this growing audience. Please also like and share my videos. Thank you. Come with me today on this bright sunny day. The weather is nice and so I decided to visit this place called the Topiary's Garden. It is an historic place where people from all walks of lives visit. In this flower garden, trees are carved into animal shapes. Very interesting, and because I love flowers, I thought to take the trip. If you live in Rhode Island or visiting, you can take your kids here to see this spectacularly well-shaped, one-of-its-kind garden. So let's get started. Drive with me. Even the road leading to this garden is just so beautiful, well made, well laid out. And it's breathtaking as well. And this city is called the Newport. It's called Newport, Rhode Island. Here they have lots of historical things here. For example, they have the mansions, which name I can't mention here. But you know, if you come here, you can visit these places. So we are now entering here. The entrance fee here is $25 just to go into the garden to see it. But you will not believe so many people from everywhere come here to see how this place is well made. So here this guy is trying to, I'm greeting him and trying to get a ticket.
$25 for you.
Today is 25 for
Just
me.
yourself?
Just me, yeah.
25.
Look at this tree shaped like I think it's like a person.
You're all set.
Thank you.
So much.
Thank you. Is are there directions that people to tell you what is what and stuff like that, or
On
just
the map. The map explains
or
it. So start here.
okay.
This is building C.
Building
And
C.
you're going to head into the Partks Gardens and then head to the north.
I hope you like it, guys. I hope you like this. You can come here one day and take a family here. So I'm walking through the garden and see these beautifully shaped trees here. Please watch to the end because there are a lot of things that you will see here. A lot of different kinds of animals or trees that are shaped like animals. You will see them here and very, very interesting and breathtaking. So just sit, relax, and see. Can you guess what kind of animals they are? Look at that. Look at that. I think that's one is the make a guess of what kind of animal it is. Can you guess the name of these? Look at this one. Is that a mouse? Leave me a comment, okay? What kind of animal you think this is? Can you believe it? Can you guys believe, man? These are trees that are carved like this. This is the cross. I think it is the cross. Or some sort of animal. This one I can show tell. This is a baby bear and a mama bear. Those are trees, y'all. I think that's giraffe at the far right. Yeah, that's a giraffe and this little animal. Which one is that? Who knows that the name of this little one? Leave me a comment. I think this is a peacock. So leave me a message. Tell me which of the animals that you know. Which one is this? Which one is this? I wanna make a guess. Leave me a message, okay? Let me know the animals that you've seen here. I'm walking towards the riverside. Look at these beautiful arches. Nice day, actually, you can come and sit down here, read a book, and watch the kids run around. If you have some kids, Otherwise, you and your wife or your fiancé or your girlfriend, you can come and sit here and just chill. Get the nice cold breeze from the river, and just pass your day here. You can bring a mat, lay it down, and like I said, read a book, bring some drinks with you, just like a picnic. It's allowed here. But I came on a day that is not so busy, so you will not see a whole lot of people. So hey man, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment. I really enjoy hearing from you people. This is not like a traditional video that a lot of people would like to watch, but I thought this was important. I love flowers, and I thought that others, would love to come in places like this where it's quiet and nice. So I thought to bring it for your entertainment. You see, I have some kids playing here. Pretty cool. Some of the sculptures they have in here include the policeman, the reindeer, the Rhode Island red rooster, the swan, the peacock, donkey, horse and a rider, a bird, baby bear, mama bear, a unicorn, to name a few. So come here, bring your family, and just come and relax and walk in the garden and see the beautiful nature of this place. idea is this? Is it in here?
Yes, it
Whose
is.
idea?
Well, I can tell you, this was a gentleman's farm back in the 1800s.
It was a gentleman's farm.
A gentleman's farm, yes.
Mhm.
So it was their summer property.
Okay.
And so the topiaries were started in the early 1900s by the gardener of the gentleman that owned the property. He
Okay.
made his money in the textile industry in Fall River, Massachusetts.
Okay.
That's where their primary residence was. And so the property gradually developed over 100 years of the topiaries being developed the way you see them now.
Oh, wow.
So it's very historic.
Very historic, yeah.
Mhm.
And people that maintain this, it must be really, really good at
They
doing their
are.
job.
Yes, it's a full-time job, that's for sure, taking care of it all. Yeah.
It's beautiful. Thank you.
You're very
Thank you.
welcome.
Yeah. I think this is it, right? Up there and then towards the
And
sea.
yeah, did you walk down?
Yeah, I walked down, I saw the big
Yeah.
area by the water.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's
Thank you guys.
You're very
Have a good day.
welcome.
Yeah.
Yes, have a good evening.
Again, thank you for coming here to watch the video, and I hope you like what I just showed you. And I look forward to hearing from somebody to say, hey, Tommy, I've been to that garden that you told me about. Well, you have a great day, and see you in my next video.